In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide posts on Instagram. After posting a picture or video on Instagram, later you want to hide it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to hide this post on Instagram. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app homepage, navigate to the bottom right where you see your profile menu and tap on it. This will land you on your profile. So when we scroll down, we see a tons of posts that we have created on this profile. In the event we want to hide any, all we have to do is to locate the post that we want to hide. So let me tap on this. For instance, up and above of this post we see 3 dots, so continue to tap on it. Then you have a bunch of menus. Make sure to tap on archive. That's it, this post has been hidden. In the event you want to hide another one, all you have to do is to proceed to tap on this 3 dot again and then continue to type on archive. So later if you have a change of mind and you want to retrieve this post back on your profile, all we have to do is to navigate back of this post. Then up and above we see 3 lines on the upper right corner. Proceed to tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a bunch of menus. Proceed to tap on archive. This will land you on an interface like this. On the top you see story archives. Proceed to tap on it. Then a drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Make sure to tap on post archive, and there you are. The post that we have archived has been stored here. So in the event we want to put it back on our profile, all we have to do is to tap on that post. Then on the top right corner, continue to tap on this 3 dots and then proceed to tap on show on profile. Then continue to tap on it. As you correctly see, it has been restored. So you can navigate back and do the same to this one again. So we tap on the posts. Up and above of it we see this 3 dots and tap on it. Then continue to tap on show on profile and then finally tap on show on profile. So when we navigate back to our profile and refresh it, just a matter of scrolling down to our profile, we'll see this post that we have successfully hidden has been added back to our profile. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.